civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for California, Oregon, Nevada, and Arizona. An emergency situation has occurred in Hong Kong with an animatronic representing the Concorde aircraft. The animatronic has escaped an airport in Hong Kong and has arrived in the United States by stealing a boat. We strongly advise all residents to stay indoors for their safety. According to reports, the animatronic escaped the airport at 5:56 p.m. local time. The animatronic is believed to be highly advanced and may present a threat to both people and aircraft. Please stay indoors and monitor local news sources for updates.